Alright, so basically, you guys, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy, basically the cheapest way you can get an Elgato Stream Deck for not just like what I'm trying to show you guys is not for like Adobe Premiere, shortcuts and stuff. It's only meant for like streaming, alright? So, yeah. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started with the video. Alright, so you guys, once you have the Streamlabs app installed, you're going to need to install Streamlabs OBS. We're going to go into we're going to go to in-game, I guess. I don't know. Let's turn this off. But what you do is you go to Settings, Remote Control, click to show. I'm going to blur this out so you guys don't see it. And then I'm going to have to start recording on my other camera right now and then overlay it on here. So you guys are going to hear some like screeching, not screeching, some like camera effects, like you can hear it. When is it recording? It is. So you're gonna try and align it. Oh, well, it stopped recording, but oh my god, can this hurry up and work? Yeah, I'll skip to when it works. So what you do is you align it so then it connects. And then once you do that, on your phone, you're going to be seeing how you're going to have everything. You're going to go live, everything. So you're going to have a mini Stream Deck. And, well, I mean, I have a stand somewhere, but I don't know where it is. But that stand is going to be used for my phone, so I can just plop it down. For right now, I'm going to show you guys an example of the stand at work. So I plop the stand down. I put in my phone. It's not going to be exactly right there, but it's going to be somewhere. And then I can just switch to stream BRB. And then you guys can see how it's switched. We're going to go stream ending. You guys can see it's switching and I'm not touching anything. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video.